Hey, congratulations! You just got your Paloma Handlebar Bag. Let's put it together. Inside of your box, you have the Paloma itself. Just unfold it. There we go. Next up, you have a plastic insert. Last but not least, you got an aluminum bracket to attach it to your Quick-Fix adapter at your handlebars. Okay, let's get started. Grab your bag. On one wall, you'll find a strip of Velcro across the entire piece. Let's open that up. Okay. Once that's open, we're going to grab the HDPE or the plastic insert and insert it into the bag. Make sure that you start with the rounded corners first. Cool. Once your plastic hits the opposite edge, go ahead and close your Velcro. Okay, great. One more step. On either side of the Paloma, you'll see a cover light sheath. That's where we're gonna put the Quick-Fix fork. The orientation of the fork is really important. You want the prongs at the end to stick upward. To insert the fork, tilt it so that the prongs are now at about a 45-degree angle. Go ahead and find the first hole in your sheath and insert the fork right into that hole. It'll only fit at that 45-degree angle. All right, cool. From here, you can go ahead and slide the fork all the way to the front of the sheath until you see the 90-degree angle prong pop out on the other side. I kind of like to push with my palms and use the bag for counter tension. Excellent. That's it. Awesome. Your bag is fully assembled. Now, make sure to install your Quick-Fix adapter on your handlebars and you're ready to go. Have a great ride.